Hello,
Hello, Amy. How you doing, honey?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good. I'm Emily. It's very nice to meet you.
Meet you.
You have gorgeous hair, I can tell already.
It's thick.
It is a lot of hair. I'm very
Yeah.
jealous. Awesome. So, the way this works is I'm just going to kind of walk you through how to use the headband, address any questions, comments, concerns you have. Not gonna lie, this is the first time I didn't have a second to read your survey in front
Oh,
of
no,
me.
that's
So
okay.
let
Fine.
me know what the problems are, or if you have anything in particular, I'll make sure to address that too.
Okay, perfect. Um, I was wondering if I could wear two of them because I feel like my hair's kind of popping out of the bottom, but it's like my hairdresser says this is the amount of a normal person said just above this ear. And I had it thinned down too recently. So,
Wow. Yeah, you can do too. I can demo how we can do it, and I can
okay,
also let you in on a little secret
okay.
that we have something launching, not necessarily very soon, probably by the end of the year, if all things go according to plan. That will be good for this. But hold on one second. I'm going to grab a second one to show you how to do two, so you get some background on that. One moment, please, Amy. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you are the first person to come here with this question of super
Oh,
thick hair and trying to use two. So we'll
awesome.
do it together and we'll learn
Okay.
together. Do you have two or no? You have one.
No.
Okay, cool. Then we'll do one and then I can show you how I would recommend doing two.
Okay.
Cool. I'll
So
do
I wait a little bit.
yeah. Yeah,
My
brush it out. Is that your hair naturally? It's just like nice and wavy.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm so
Yeah.
jealous. This is my hair naturally.
It's
It's
pretty too.
thank you, Amy. I appreciate it.
Pretty. I love it though. I do love it. I'm excited to try too. I've never had anything like this ever work. And it
Awesome.
Yeah. I need to send you a couple of pictures.
Oh, please do.
Yeah.
You can be a hair model, honey. Yeah, we spent a lot of time like iterating and perfecting it and like,
That's so awesome.
oh, I'm so proud of it. And I'm so happy to hear you love it. Did you try other heatless curlers too?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh
You tried them all.
yeah.
Yep. Yep. As have I. Literally. Yep.
Yeah.
That was the first thing I did before I even started this. I'm like, I'm going to buy every single one on the market.
Yeah.
And at the time, nothing had blown up. So there were
Yeah.
none. There was like
That's
12.
awesome.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you. All right. So we have our headband. Our hair is brushed and parted into two in the front. Fabulous. Lightly
Mhm.
damp. When it comes to
Yep.
dampening your hair, I like to recommend ear level down
Okay.
as a heads up. Hello. And that just helps to make sure you don't get like a hard crease in the back.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Ear level down. Cool. And then I like to start by folding mine in half so that the ends are even
Mm-hmm.
and that you have a crease nice in the middle. And if you notice, there's like an integrated wire all along one side. So when you put it on your head, you want to make sure the wire is facing forward,
Awesome.
not backwards. Cool. Awesome, honey. Now, have you mastered this part? If you haven't, I'll walk you through it slowly and give you some.
No.
Okay, cool. So since you have a lot of hair, I'm going to give you the little cheat way to do it. Are you a righty or a lefty?
Right.
Okay, put left hand on top.
Okay.
Cool. Now with your right hand, we're just gonna fold this guy here in half.
Okay.
Fabulous. Great. Now you're gonna go in with your right hand, swoop in,
Mm-hmm.
and pull it up and over that little crease that you just made.
Okay. I made it too short. Let me get it back.
All right, let's take it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the crease should be like probably by your chin.
Okay.
Yeah, like jawline.
Okay.
That nice jawline. Cool. And then another thing is, yeah, you got it. Perfect. Now pull your hair towards your face. Great. And over. Awesome. And then all you have to do at this point is just wrap the end around itself to make a pigtail is what you're trying to do here.
Okay.
You got it.
Okay.
Perfect.
Oh.
Awesome. It'll get easier with time, I
Yeah.
promise. You look cute. All right. We got our pigtail in. So now you should have both hands that can be free. And
Okay.
this is nice and stabilized, so it won't be sliding around. Cool. Now we'll take a front section
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to wrap it over and under. Cool.
Okay.
Awesome.
Then more.
And more. And then you're just going to add another section right underneath the first and combine it. Cool. And go over and under.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Now,
And then do it again, third time. Yep, your hand positioning. Is this, I'm trying to see, like, you're going like that. Is it comfortable?
yeah.
It is? Okay, cool. Just making
Good.
sure. All right.
I feel like I've been supported in every position to try and. I like it, my hair straight, but it actually looks really good this way
Oh,
too.
I can imagine. You have so much hair. It'd be so voluminous. Oh,
It is.
yeah, your hair can do no wrong. Cool.
I think I got too much there.
Okay.
Well, let me go back on that one.
Yeah, I'll take it from the top with you. So since you have a lot of hair, I think it's really good that you started up high.
Yeah.
You did, as opposed to bringing it down lower. It gives you more headband to wrap around.
Yeah.
Probably smaller pieces is going to be better.
A little bit more water.
A little more water.
Okay.
Does your hair normally hold a curling iron curl?
It's wanting to not as well as it used to, but it did hold these curls, which is awesome.
Yeah, it holds these
Yeah.
forever. Yeah.
Yeah. I know it's way longer than normal, which is awesome.
Cool.
With effort, I was like, you've got to be kidding me after I pulled it out. That's
It's
awesome.
incredible. It's incredible. So one tip, I think you did it right, which is when you get to like right about ear level, you can just add all the hair in. And I think you did that.
Okay.
It looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, cutie.
Now put on my.
Wow. It's crazy how your hair compresses. It's like a magic trick.
Good.
It's gone. It's all on there.
Yeah.
Wild. And then like probably 3 wraps around should do it. You don't have to do more than that.
Okay.
Because it can just be like hugging it lightly.
Okay.
Yeah. And that way the ends don't get too like scrunched and then super tiny spirally curls while the rest is like looser.
Okay.
You got the guava. I'm jealous.
I love it.
I love it too. Oh, it's such a good color. It was our limited edition summer color. And now we're all out.
You're out.
We're out. We're out. We're not bringing it back anytime soon either.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it looks great.
Do I tuck it under or does it not matter which way
So
you?
I would leave it out, leave the end
Okay.
out just like that. Perfect. And you're good. Yep.
Okay.
Fabulous. Fabulous. Cool. How does it feel? Does it feel good on your head and everything?
Really?
Really good. Okay, cool. Do you normally wear it to bed or do you go out with it
Yeah,
too? To
I
bed.
wear, but I'll
Cool.
probably be going. I've already. All my friends have seen it outside, so I'm like, whatever. This is it. So I'm outside.
Yep. Yep. I wear it all the time. So I usually get some compliments, usually by like older ladies, like
Oh,
grandmas. They're like, I love your hair. You look like a bride. I'm like, thank you.
that's
Thank you,
sweet.
Marianne. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Now you repeat on this side. So you're pulling it up high and around.
With me. So
Cool. And that'll help the curl start really sooner and give you more lift at the roots too on the top. Cool. So one thing I'll note, if in case it's easier or in case you like this way, is when you're going over, yeah, so you pull it over and under, fabulous. If you keep it kind of closer to the hairline,
Uh-huh.
it'll sit a little bit more comfortably on the head, but if you're
Okay.
wearing it to bed, it doesn't matter. The way you're doing it is going to get the curls to start sooner in the back and give you less of a flat head.
Okay.
So yours is like better for the curl result. I'll give you that.
Awesome.
Yeah. But if you want to wear it out and about or while running,
Yeah.
it might be more comfortable. Yeah, you're good at this. I don't have many comments. You're doing so many good things. Like each wrap is touching the last. That's a comment I normally give. You're keeping
Yeah.
the headband close to the head, so that's good. You're at the ear now, so I would say add all the hair.
Okay.
That'll just help to avoid a poof down here, and it'll start the curls sooner in the back.
Okay.
Awesome. Very good, Amy.
I'm almost there. Oh, that really helped to start. Yes, to start all of it right there.
Yep, start all of it right there. There's no reason to wait.
Because sometimes I've been running out of real estate when I would go to like going lower with the doing it.
Mhm. Yep. And I can give you a tip for that too. Let's see, grab the scrunchie on. So good. So if you happen to run out of real estate, you don't want to wrap past the stitch line down here because that's just less padding and all. It's not meant for
Okay.
wrapping. But if that does happen, just like
Mhm.
you do with like a long sleeve and you push up the sleeve, you can do the same thing here. You can just always push it up.
Okay.
And then you got a lot of real estate left.
There we are.
Yep.
Yay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on the good part now. I can feel it.
Nice.
Wrapped.
You did great. It looks fun. Can you French braid? I'm like really impressed.
No, I can't.
You can't. I would think you can. I'm really impressed. It looks really good, honey. And all
Thank you.
the hair is in there. I'm so impressed.
I'll send you an after picture.
Oh, please do.
Oh,
Thank you. Cool. So now that we're here, you can twist it if you want to tighten it.
mm-hmm.
So you just kind of twist it away from your face. You do it on both sides, you'll feel it kind of just go to your head.
Yep.
That'll create tighter curls. If you want looser curls and you're going to bed, you can always just do it the other way.
Okay.
And then while you're sleeping, wear it any which way you like.
Okay.
Where's comfortable.
Okay.
But if you want the headband thing, you just go to the back. You're going to cross them.
Uh-huh.
And then tuck the top one under.
Oh,
And tuck the bottom one over.
pretty.
Yeah, you got a cute little headband that you can wear out and about.
Yeah, that's
And you
pretty.
and you have all the real estate too. You can do it.
Maybe I don't need two. I would like to see what two looks like.
Yeah, I don't think you need to. I
Okay.
can show you. I really don't think you got it all on there.
Well, I think you helped a lot, so thank you. Doing this, like stopping here helps.
Awesome. That's really good to know.
From here below with the amount of hair I had, but now it's fine.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And it looks secure and comfortable.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, you look good.
Thank you so much.
Good
I
job.
love it. Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure. Yeah, I don't think we need to do two. I wouldn't recommend it because it's
Okay.
not as comfortable.
Okay. Yeah. Having another one back here. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because it's pretty lumpy too. Yeah, I think you're good to go. But the next iteration is still going to be really awesome. And so I'm very excited about that. You do want to stay tuned for that one.
I'll look for it. I hope you have an awesome evening and thank you.
My pleasure, Amy. Amy, where are you calling in from?
Austin.
Austin. No
Yeah.
way.
Yep.
That's so cool. I was just in Houston the other day visiting my
Oh,
brother. He's out there.
what
Yeah.
about where are you?
I'm in New York at the
Oh,
moment. Mm-hmm.
awesome.
Yeah. 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 Well,
Thank you.
my
Have a
pleasure, Amy. If you have any other questions, let me know. Would love to see a picture. Feel free to send it my way. And
okay.
I'll upload this video to an unlisted YouTube channel.
Oh.
So, and I'll send you the link. So if you want to rewatch anything, you have at least this one to look at.
Okay. Where should I do I just post the picture to this email or what?
Yeah, you can send it to you'll get an email from us, so you can just reply to that and put it there. We'd love to see it. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Hey, it was so nice to meet
You too, Amy. Have a wonderful night.
you.
Bye, honey.
Bye.